Any pilot will tell you that flying is never routine. But for fighter pilots flying at high speeds and in tight formations, even the slightest miscalculation can mean the difference between brilliance and sudden disaster. At an air show in Paris, Russian pilot Sergei Tragedies and his good friend Alexander take their MiG-29s through high-speed maneuvers. But as they prepare to cross paths at close range, something goes terribly wrong. After the two planes collide, Sergei quickly ejects. As he parachutes down, he sees Alexander's plane burst into a ball of fire. As Sergei's empty plane careens out of control, he spots Alexander descending in his own parachute.
It's not an exercise. The emergency services are responding to that.
Not a single person on the ground was seriously injured, and incredibly, both pilots walk away from the crash. Another look at the collision shows the vital role their split-second reactions played in saving their lives. Seconds after impact, Sergei ejects. So does Alexander. But the threat of a crash is not the only peril that faced those who make their living in the skies.